Today I'm going to show you my name animation. So this is how it works. So today I'll show you how to make sprites turn and move. So and they're turning and having fun. So now I'm going to open a blank thing. So let me just stop the project. Yes. Now here is my cat sprite and here is the white background, and now I'm going to start it. First let me delete the sprite, cat sprite, and I clicked on the dustbin button. That's how you delete a sprite. Now you add a background. So there's a variety of backgrounds. You can search one also. Fantasy is many options. I think it will stand in race. So now we have to add a sprite. So you can click on this cat symbol and then click on it, and then there are a variety of many sprites also. We can use one of them. We can use one of them to make it walk. So let's use this bear walking. Now we have to make this sprite walk backwards and forwards. When it touches the edge, it should move forward, and it should move it should move backward, and when it is reached this area, then it should move forward. So for that, we can use a one green flag click. It comes in the events always come at the first of the code. Now you can go to control and use the forever block. And we have to, and now we can, so now we can have to add a move 10 steps. Whatever, move 10 steps. And then first, if on the edge bounce, where the if on the edge bounce, and set rotation style left right, and move backward. Move 10 steps. Okay, and we have to move. Would you love to make it walking like a real bear does? So we add the next costume in the looks. Where should I put it? I should put it here. Now let me see if it works. See? It's walking. Whoa. See, my bear is walking, but it's walking all the way around. Oopsie, so it's working like this. But it is fast. Would you like it to walk a little bit slower? So you use a wait 1 second block. Let's make it wait for 1.5 seconds. So now it's, that's too slow. I think 0.1 seconds is enough. I think, yes, this is perfect. Now it's walking like a real bear. So if you enjoy it, enjoy it and practice it. So if you want to rename your project, click at the top and then then you type your project's name. We're walking. You just write walk. I'll write walking. Okay, so now you can click on file and save now. And that's all done for me. So bye bye. Oops. I will show you more Scratch in the next video. Another coding. Bye bye. Bye.